every year. At the end of December, people start planning their personal goals. They call it their New Year's resolutions. Some of them achieve these goals, but most of them struggle. And maybe they will manage to hold on to these resolutions. But there's a little group of human beings who are not able to even manage these goals for a day. They call themselves students. Kato and Celaya present Resolution.